So, hindi ko makita yung bilihan ng SIM card na Link Korea. Sabi kasi, Station 5 get off. Bali, walang Station 5. So, dapat pala talaga mahanap yung exit 5 from Hongdae Station ng subway. Kasi pag labas mo, ito lalakad ka lang. Ito na yung Florin Building. Nag-elevator na lang ako para sure na second floor yung baba. Dito ako dinala ng elevator. Naman kasi yung araw nila pataas. Ito lang pala. So, nahanap ko na din. Kailangan ipakita yung booking number. So, i-screenshot nyo kung wala pa kayong internet. Tapos, kailangan magdala ng ID. So, yung passport. So, nakuha ko na yung SIM card. Itong SIM card na in-avail ko, KT, for 10 days siya. Pero, 7 days na lang ako magsistay. Pero, ang option lang kasi either 1 day, 5 days, 10 days, tapos 30 days na. Tapos, nakuha ko siya for 32,700 won. Pag kinonvert, 1,400 pesos. So, magagamit ko na siya, unlimited data. Tapos, incoming call. So, pwede akong matawagan. Tsaka ma-text ng mga numbers from Korea. So, dito yung pinagbilan ko ng SIM card. Mayroon ako ditong nakitang magandang bilihan ng pants. Hongdae Pekbaji. 24,000. Mukhang maganda yung fit tsaka yung tela. Ito yung fit ng pants. 24,000 won. So, ito yung pangalawang pants. 30,000 won. Medyo hindi siya masyadong stretchable. This is the pants that I bought. Thank you! Sobrang cute! Yung flowers. Dito lang to sa tabing kalsada. 7,000 won, 10 pieces, isang bungkos, bali mga 350 pesos. Sobrang mura, diba? Ganda. Sobrang effort pala nung mga nasa kalsada dito kasi kanina dumaan ako mga 30 minutes ago, wala pa. Tapos nga nagsiset up. Tapos mamaya pag nakita mo yan, todong setup na. Tapos sa umaga ganun ulit tatanggalin, ibabalik. Naghahanap ako ng lip tint kasi nakalimutan ko yung lip tint sa hotel. Tint 8,000 won, coating tint 7,200, velvet tint 9,000. Itong best na cherry. So nakabili na ako ng lip tint, hindi na akong punded. Meron dito nung parang sa mga Korean drama, yung tent na meron lang siyang plastic cover. Try natin kumain. Merong tteokbokki, pindetok, kimbap na maliliit, pindetok. Hindi ko alam yung tawag, pero mostly mga fried. And odeng, yung tteokbokki. Saman niya? So, hindi pala pwedeng bumiling isa-isa. 4 pieces, 2,500 won. Actually, ang mura na nun kasi sa iba. Oh, thank you! Sa iba, mahal yung ganito per piece. Pinahati-hati. Lalagyan niya nung sauce pero baka maanghang, hindi ko na pinalagyan. So, iba-ibang klase. Ito, parang sweet potato yata na breaded. Merong shrimp. Kinakamay ko na lang crab stick na nakabalot sa dahon. Tapos may breading. Dahon lang na may breading. In fairness, masarap tong dahon na may breading. So, ito yung dahon na may breading. Dito lang to sa tabi ng kalsada. Nakakatuwa yung Korean na nakatayo dito kanina. Tinanong niya ako kung from the Philippines daw ako. Sabi ko, oo. Tapos nag-study pala siya sa Philippines ng 10 years sa Lasal. So, medyo meron siya magtagalog. Nagkwentuhan kami. Tapos, nilalagyan pala siya ng sauce kung gusto nyo. Ito. Soy sauce na madaming sili. baka maanghang eh. Kaya plain ko na lang kayo nakain. Pinakamay ko lang. Itong soup masarap, sabaw siya ng odeng, kaya lang pag hindi winter or autumn, hindi masarap kumain yan, mainit. Pero yung sabaw, masarap pa din. Kung gusto niyo ng medyo Korean phrases, before you eat a meal, you say, "잘 먹겠습니다." It means, I will eat well. And then after you eat, you say, "잘 먹었습니다." It means, I ate well or I appreciate the food that you ate. Diba? Dahil pang food na pwedeng kainin dito. So, meron ako hinahanap na salon. Gamit ko Naver Map. So, dito to sa Hongdae 7 Face Makeup Brush. Yung mga flower brush. Ganito yung itsura. 10,000 won kada isa. Sobrang ganda, sobrang cute. So you can use for cheeks, powder also if you like. So this is Hongdae in the morning. Ito yung sobrang crowded sa gabi. I think it's for club. Sobrang haba, guys. Madaming mga nagpa-perform, mga nagbabas, dyan, kumakanta sayaw-sayaw. Sa umaga, mukha lang siya normal na street sa Korea. Ang tahimik lang sa umaga, pero sa gabi punong-puno ng mga tao. Ang cute sa Korea yung mga restaurant or yung mga tindahan ng damit. May totoong halaman sa loob. Tapos nag-iiba din yung kulay kapag autumn. Ayan, nag-yellow na. Nag-iiba na yung kulay ng leaves. Ganda. Sobrang mura talaga ng damit sa Korea. Itong fleece na sweater, 10,000 won. Ganda ng quality. Mukha siyang mamahalin sa Uniqlo. Itong skirt, 10,000 won. Mga 500 pesos. Itong sweater, 1 plus 1, 10,000 won. So, 250 pesos isa pag 5,000 won. Pero itong mga dresses medyo mahal, 29,000 won. Dito, sa Express Bus Terminal, mga 10 or 15,000 won lang. Set na sweater, tsaka parang cardigan, 20,000 won. Tapos meron pa siyang ibang colors. Sobrang ganda. Ganda talaga ng mga damit dito. Kaya, suggestion ko sa mga magko-Korea, wag na kayong bumili ng damit. Kasi dito sa Korea, sobrang trendy talaga at ang mumura. Ganda pa ng quality. So, nahanap ko na yung hinahanap ko. Ito yung CCA. It's a salon. So, this is the inside of the salon in Hongdae. Wow. So, this is inside the CCA hair salon in Hongdae. Iced tea. According to Young, there are different tones for black color as well. So, I guess mine is 1. Did you say 1?
1 or 2.
1 or 2?
It's super black.
It's super black. So here are the options here at CCA for hair treatment. It's 35,000 won until 190,000 won. So you recommend number 3?
Number 2.
Number
That's
3.
number 2 or number 3 is the most popular?
What? So this is my hair before the hair treatment and haircut. They said it's too dark and also I need to trim to remove the damage. And then inside, it's growing. So let's start with the treatment. We wash the hair. Oh, this is so nice. Ang galing nung mug. Kala ko ceramic. Pag pindot ko, galing rubber. Steamer ulit. Mababad pala tong hair treatment dito sa may sink. So now, time for haircut. So ito yung haircut na gusto ko. Harap. Likod naman. So this is the view inside the CCA hair salon. Super accessible lang siya. Pag nilakad niyo yung Hongdae, makikita niyo agad. So, ito na yung after ng hair treatment at haircut. Ito sa CCA Hair Salon sa Hongdae. So, kung nandito kayo around the area, gusto nyo magpa-hair makeover, try nyo dito sa CCA. Hindi siya yung usual na layered na patusok. So, ito U-shape para mas may volume yung dating niya. So, ito, nakakagulat kasi affordable siya. The treatment that I got today here at CCA Hair Salon is Reminiscence Clinic Moisture and Oil. It's 45,000 won. And then the haircut is 20,000 won. Surprisingly, it's very affordable compared to other hair salons here in Korea. And I really like the outcome. CCA Hair Salon is popular for their hair bleaching. So if you want to try it, the colors are so amazing. So this is one of the samples of their amazing hair work here. So this is violet brown. On top, you see hint of purple. And then going down, it's brown, ash brown. It's so beautiful. For the hair bleach, if you want to try it in Korea, it's 129,500 for the bleaching, but you need at least 2 sessions for that. For the final hair color, it's 69,500 won. So if you come to Korea and you're around Hongdae, you should try CCA Hair Salon here in Hongdae. So this is the view from the salon. So outside there are cafes and clothes shop, restaurants. CCA Hair Salon is on the 2nd floor, and what I really love about Korea is that they always have like mirrors for selfie or to check yourself. And then I love my hair today thanks to CCA Hair Salon. And now let's go back to Hongdae. Oh, it's getting dark now. So if you want to try CCA Hair Salon here in Hongdae, just keep walking from that street, and then if you find this clothes shop, it is on the 2nd level.